What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you again from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feast. Hey guys, you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today we're just going to do something I've been wanting to do for a long time. We're just going to do a simple breakfast burrito. We're going to do it on my flat top griddle. As you guys know, I'm doing a giveaway for this. So all you have to do to sign up for the giveaway is subscribe to my channel, comment on the video, supply an email address, and visit my Facebook page. That's all you gotta do, guys. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and hey, let's do a breakfast burrito. So the supporting cast is real simple. We got my extra large flour tortillas here. We got a pound of sausage. I'm probably gonna only use a half a pound of this. I got 6 eggs, some onion. These are some real potatoes cut up for hash browns. Turning a little brown on me because I didn't put them in water, but that's okay. And so I got some queso cheese and some fresh cracked black pepper and some pink Himalayan sea salt. You know, my favorite. So guys, that's all the ingredients that's going to go into it. I'll use a little bit of butter on the grill. Other than that, let's get started putting this together. I'm going to explain to you my Still Made USA grill if you don't know already. American made product, made right here in the United States. I absolutely love the product. It sits on top of your grill, turns your stove top into a flat top in a matter of seconds. If you go over to their website using the link, that's the first link in the description, and you use Big Tone as your product code or your discount code, you'll get 10% off. So go over and check it out. Purchase one. It's definitely worth the purchase. So let's get started putting this together. First thing I'm going to put on is my hash browns because it's going to take the longest to cook. And like I said, these are real hash browns. So these are not out of a bag or frozen. I'm going to put these on back here. And spread these out a little bit. Matter of fact, I'm going to spread them this way here. So we can get a nice crispness on them. And we're not going to touch them. We're just going to let them sit. Let them get that crust on the bottom. I'm going to salt and pepper these here in just a second. A little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt. And some fresh cracked black pepper. Sorry about my arm being in the way. And I'm going to throw my onions on over here. And I'm going to let these cook down pretty good too. My potatoes have been on. I flipped them over. You can see it's got that nice brown caramelization to them. That's the most important part. 2 things about making hash browns. When you make fresh hash browns, make sure you get all the water as much as you can out of the hash browns. Because they do contain a lot of water, so you don't want that water to steam your hash browns. Second thing is, make sure you let them sit, whether it's in a skillet or on that griddle like this. Make sure you let them sit so they can get that caramelization on them. Okay, so I put my sausage on the griddle here, and I'm just going to chop it up. I'm using a half a pound of sausage here. I may use a little bit more. Just depends on what it comes out like. So we're going to chop this up so we can get toasted brown sausage. So this is one of the great things about having the Still Made USA grill. This whole surface can turn into a cooking vessel. So you got your 4 eyes, but you also have the middle section which keeps things warm but doesn't cook them as much. So just like a normal griddle. So I love this thing. Absolutely love it. I think it's worth your investment. Just go on over to Still Made USA. Use Big Tone as your promo code. You'll get 10% off. Alright, so let me bring my onions to the middle here. Alright guys, so pour my eggs in my little dam here. Try to keep it all together. Of course, I can't succeed at everything. We're just gonna mix the eggs and the sausage together, cook those up. Now I've already salt and peppered my eggs a little bit, so I'm not gonna put anything on them here. Get all the egg out of here. So we're gonna cook those up until they get semi-firm here. I don't like a runny egg, as you've probably seen in my other videos. If you haven't, go check them out. Alright, I'm gonna turn the griddle down and I'm gonna put these back here and let them kind of stew for a minute. In the meantime, I'm gonna scrape the front part of the grill and I'll put on my tortilla. Let it get warm. We're gonna throw on our tortilla here. We're gonna let one side get nice and done there. And then we'll flip it over. So I've already flipped my tortilla here. You can see it's brown on one side. It's getting a little crispy there. So I'm gonna cook that on the other side for just a minute. Then I'm gonna assemble this thing for you guys. All right. So my tortilla's on the plate here. First thing I'm gonna add is my hash browns. Nice little layer of hash browns here. And we're gonna throw in some onions. A little bit of onion. And then we're gonna add my eggs and sausage to the top. Eggs and sausage. Now that I'm over at the counter, first thing I'm gonna add a little bit of queso cheese over the top. Of course, that's gonna melt down. And excuse my arm, guys. A little bit of sour cream and a little bit of salsa over the top. There we go. Alright, so now for the rolling part. Pretty simple. Fold in the sides, and then we're just going to simply roll it over. Simple as that, guys. There you go. Simple, easy, and effective breakfast burrito, guys. Very simple to do. But you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Simple breakfast burrito, guys, on the Still Made USA grill. Doesn't get any better than this. Hey guys, if you want to enter my giveaway for my Still Made USA grill, all you have to do is click on the link in the first description. It'll take you over to the giveaway. Just gotta subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on the video, provide an email address, and go ahead and visit my Facebook page. But guys, I'm done talking. I'm gonna take a bite. Look at this, everything is melted together perfectly. Oh man, you need to try this. Very simple, very easy. Hey guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.